an ice maker for the refrigerator. I have to run a new line. You gotta face the camera to me. You gotta look in here. Yeah, can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you see my face?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna run a camera line through here. So you gotta point it here. Not camera line. I'm gonna run an ice maker. Let me get it. I'm gonna run an ice maker to the new fridge. I'm gonna run it up here. I'm gonna use this line here, and I'm gonna connect it to one of this. And I have to test it first. So we're gonna run it from here, this spot, and run it along this piece, and we put it into here. So let's get the box. Where's the Icemaker box? So this is the box right here. It's the Icemaker box. I already bought the valve for it. I just gotta put some threading on it. I put some Teflon tape on it. On this valve right here. So you just take this out. And put the Teflon. That's what I'll do. You want to wrap it. So you give it a couple of turns. Hold the box good. You don't put it a little tight. So give it like 5 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that should be good enough. Maybe 4 turns should be good. So, before we put this nut on, we want to use a multi-purpose thread sealant. What this does, this allows the fitting to slide on. That's right. Just stir it up. I learned this from a friend. So what it does, let's just, that's what it looks like right here. You take it. And just apply it to the pipe like this. So you put the Teflon on first, and then you put this on. Oh, I'm messy here. Get tissue. You just turn it on like this here. So you get the rim, a channel lock. You can use a channel lock. Just turn it like this here. And you have to hold the other side here. You use a smaller wrench. this nut here. Oh.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, you want to hold it?
This one?
That's the compression fitting.
Oh, which one do I have to hold? This one?
That's the nut.
Okay.
Yeah. So this here is the compression fitting. So this fits over the end of the pipe. So, yeah, bring one of the cable lines. Lines here. So, this right here is the water line. So, what we're going to do, we're going to put this on first. And take this one, put it on here. We're just going to act as the compression fitting. And then you take your Icemaker box. You push this in here first. Push this in. And then you're going to tighten it up. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like in the wall. Right? So then you have another outlet valve here. Oh, this is going to go to the fridge, and this is the shut-off valve. So this fitting here is not solder. It's compression type fitting.
Hi, it's me again.
So we finished hooking up this Icemaker box. So let's take a look at it. This is the hammer one. We got the hammer here, the valve, the fitting. So this is how you hook it up here. Now you leave a loop. You want to leave a loop just in case something happens here. You can cut it and rejoin it back. You have extra tubing here. You're gonna have to redo all the tubing. Okay, so we just got to test the line here to see if the line is leaking before we close up the wall. You don't want to close up the wall and there's water all over the place. So I ran a fitting here and we'll turn it on and you'll see and check for no leaks. So here we put the valve in. I had to put a cap here, and I ran the smaller line. This is a Icemaker line, and I connect it to here. And this one runs. I had to run it on the ground there. And it comes straight to here. So you see, you gotta check to see if there's no leaks coming out of here. Because once you close up the wall, you can't see if there's a leak. And then you check here too, see if there's any kind of water dripping down here before you close up the wall. I didn't have no place really to run this line because I don't want to bore it through here. So I just push it on the ground there, and the tile will cover it over. So it wouldn't be in the way.